Welcome to a Graphic 45 farmhouse layout tutorial. I'm Charee Filimoehala here at the Graphic 45 office, and I'm excited for you to learn how to create this chic layout using our farmhouse collection. We're just using some leftovers from our trifold folio from this month's club kit and creating a nice chic layout that's going to be a great way to get your photos down to the page and get them in your scrapbooks. So this, of course, is a part of our Club G45 series. This is volume 6, and both this layout and the trifold folio have been created by the fabulous Maria Cole. Now, if you want to follow along to both of these projects, you can find the link to the folio in the description below, and you can pick up the kit at your local G45 retailer or on our website, g45papers.com. There you can either subscribe or you get a monthly bundle of goodies delivered directly to your door, or you're just going to get just this kit and then you can follow along with these projects or create anything your heart desires with these items. So go ahead, grab some supplies. If you're just going to do this layout, you can just grab a few papers and some flowers, and let's get started. If you're looking for the project sheet for this farmhouse layout, you can find it on our website, g45papers.com, and then hit that inspiration tab and then scroll down to project sheets, and then you'll find our Club G45 Volume 6 farmhouse projects there. This is an easy project to make, and I'm excited to get started. The first step, we're going to take our locally grown paper and we're just going to trim off that info strip. So we've got a 12 by 12 inch piece of paper. And then we are going to take our fresh style and then trim off 1.5 of an inch from the right hand side and a 1.5 inch from the bottom. So we end up with a 10.5 inch square. Add some adhesive to your 10.5 inch square, and we're going to center this on our locally grown. Step 2, we're taking our country morning paper and we've cut out 2 6x4 photo mats. And then from our general store, this was a leftover from our folio that we did earlier. So leftover from that project, we've got this cut apart that we're going to be using. Step 3, from our Rise and Shine, we have this Live, Laugh, Love border left over, and we're going to cut these to be, we'll have 2 and they'll both be 6 inches long. And then also from that paper, we have left over this Happiness is Homemade along with this chicken tickets. And we'll go ahead and just fussy cut those out. So just cut those apart and fussy cut along those corners. You could create this with any papers you've got left over after you've done a mini album or handful of cards. Then we're going to adhere these photo mats about 1/4 of an inch from the left hand side and leaving about 1 inch from each other. And then we'll adhere the Live, Laugh, Love borders just right there underneath, just flush with the photo mats. Step 5, we're going to take this Life on the Farm cut apart, and this is going to adhere about 1 inch from the bottom, centering between our photo mats and our red newsprint. And then we're going to take our chicken ticket, and we're going to adhere that down as well. That's going to adhere just about 1/4 of an inch from the top of our Life on a Farm. And then I'm going to use some foam adhesive to pop up our next ticket, and just so I use up all of my negative space too, I'm just going to cut out a piece that will be approximately what I would like. You don't want to let any of that good foam adhesive go to waste. And then this is just going to go angled over top of our chicken and slightly over the life on a farm, cut apart as well. And then step 6, we're going to take our stickers from our Farmhouse collection pack, and we're going to be using these cute little banners. We're going to start with a black gingham banner first to flush with the top and the left-hand side, and then have a red fresh style banner, and then finish it off with another black gingham banner. Our leftover roses that we used on our folio, these are graphic 45 black roses. We are going to use those to embellish the bottom left-hand side. So I'm going to start with my leaf and have that down first. So I put down my placement. I had an idea of where I wanted it to go. So I'll add that adhesive, just gluing down the stem. That way these can have a little bit of movement, the leaves themselves. And then taking my largest rose, that's going to go towards the top. And then this cute little rose with the leaves be there. And then we've got our little bud left, and it does have this wire stem on it. You can cut it off if you want, but I think this time around I'm going to wrap it around my pencil I had on my desk. And put that, tuck it in between those two. So here I'm just going to put down a little glop of glue and then rest this in there. So there you have it. We've got our roses all beautifully put together. We hope that you've enjoyed this 6-step layout along with us. You can see those roses really add a nice little punch. If you don't have any roses in your stash, you can always make some homemade paper flowers with your coordinating collection as well. But we hope you do share your layouts with us. You can share them with us on our Instagram account using that hashtag Graphic45. You can also share them on our Graphic45 community page. And we always love to see your work. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get tutorials every month like this one, where we teach you how to create albums from scratch and other fun things. And then when you subscribe, be sure to hit that notification bell. We hope that you are staying positive out there, staying safe, and enjoying your paper crafting. As always, happy paper crafting from Graphic45.